So we have set U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have set A 2, 4, and 6, and set B 1, 4, and 5. First, we need to look at the common element of set A and set B. What is the common element of set A and set B? The answer is 4. We have set A 2, 4, 6. So we have a missing number 2 and 6. We need to place it in set A. Next, we have set B 1, 4, and 5. We have a missing number 1 and 5. We place it in set B. Now, looking at the universal set, for A and B, we have only 2, 4, 6, 1, and 5. In the universal set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have the missing number, and the missing numbers are 3 and 7, and we need to place 3 and 7 outside the universal, outside the circle or set A and set B, and that is inside the universal set. Now we have a problem solving. 50 students were asked if they have pets animals at home. 30 of the students have dogs and 32 have cats. How many students have dog only? And how many students have cat only? We are going to solve the problem using the Venn diagram. The first thing that we need to do is to add 30 plus 32. And 30 plus 32 is equal to 62. Now we have only 50 students. We need to subtract 50 from 62. And we have 62 minus 50. What is 62 minus 50? The answer is 12. 12 is the intersection of students who have dog and cat at the same time. We need to place 12 inside the intersection of dog and cat. Now we have 30 and we need to subtract 12. 30 minus 12. The answer, class, is 18. We need to place 18 in the circle in the set of dog. We place it there, 18. Now we need to subtract 32 minus 12. And what is 32 minus 12? And 32 minus 12 is equal to 20. Now we are going to answer the problem. How many students have dog only? The answer, class, is 18. And the next question is, how many students have cat only? The answer, class, is 20. We can proceed with another problem. 30 students were asked about their favorite merienda. 19 of the students like spaghetti and 17 like pancit palabok. How many students like spaghetti only? And how many students like pancit palabok only? So we need to make a Venn diagram. Making the Venn diagram, we have 30 students were asked. All right. So we have to add 17 plus 19. What is 17 plus 19? The answer is 36. We have only 30 students. 36 minus 30. What is the answer? The answer is 6. So we have 6 students who like both spaghetti and pancit palabok. Now we need to subtract 6 from 19. 19 minus 6 is 13. And we need also to subtract 6 from 17. That is 17 minus 6 is 11. Now we can already answer the question. The question, class, is how many students like spaghetti only? The answer, class, is 13. The next question is how many students like pancit palabok only? The answer, class, is 11. Now we have another problem. 54 students were surveyed about their favorite subject. 35 students like math, 40 students like science, 34 students like English, 25 like math and science, 22 like science and English, 18 like math and English, and 10 like the three subjects. Now, instead of using two circle, we need three circle, and the three circle are intersecting each other. So we have that one. We can proceed class. The question now is, how many students like math only? Another question, how many students like science only? And the next question, how many students like English only? We can proceed class with this one. So we will start at the bottom. We have number 10. 10 students like the three subjects. We are going to place 10 inside the intersection of the three subjects, math, science, and English. So we place 10 in the center. Now we have at the bottom again, we have 18 like math and English. We have math and English. This one is math, the other one is English. We have 18. What number is missing to 10 to make it 18? The answer, class, is 8. Now we have 22 students like science and English. Science and English, we have 22. We have already 10. What is missing to 10 to make it 22? The answer, class, is 12. Now we have 25 like math and science. 25 like math and science. So we have here already 10. What is missing to 10 to make it 25? The answer is 15. Now we will proceed with this one. 35 students like math. If we try to add 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. We have 35 students. What is missing to 33 to make it 35? The answer is 2. Now we can proceed with 40 students like science. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. What is missing in 37 to make it 40? The answer is 3. We have the next. 34 students like English. 34, we have 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. We have 34 students like English. What is missing to 30 to make it 34? The answer is 4. Now, we are going to find out whether it is really 54. This is 2. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 25 plus 8 is 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. We have this one as 35. Then 35 plus 3. What is 35 plus 3? 38. 38 plus 4. 38 plus 4. What is the answer? 38 plus 4 is 42. 42 plus 12. 42 plus 12 is 54. We have 54 students. Now, we need to find the answer to the question. And the question is, how many students like math only? The answer, class, is, the answer is 2. Only 2 students like math only. Then, how many students like science only? The answer, class, is 3. The next question, how many students like English only? The answer is 4. You can proceed, class, with the next question. 25 students were surveyed about their favorite sports. 17 students like basketball, 14 students like volleyball, 15 students like tennis. 9 like basketball and volleyball, 8 like basketball and tennis, 6 like volleyball and tennis, 2 like the 3 subject. The question, class, is how many students like basketball only, how many students like volleyball only, and how many students like tennis only. We are going to make again a Venn diagram. So again, in this particular example, we need to start at the bottom. So this is 2 like the 3 subject. Since 2 like the 3 subject, we are going to place 2 in the gray color. Now we have the next. 6 like volleyball and tennis. This is volleyball and tennis. We have 6 volleyball and tennis. What is missing here to make it 6? We have already told the missing number is what? The missing number is 4. We can proceed with 8. 8 like basketball and tennis. 8 like basketball and tennis. Basketball and tennis, 8. We have already 2. What is missing to 8? To 8 to make it, what is missing to 2 to make it 8? What is the answer? The answer is 6. Now we can proceed with 9. 9 like basketball and volleyball. 9 like basketball and volleyball. We have already 2. What is missing to 2 to make it 9? The answer is 7. We can go to 15. 15 like tennis. Look at tennis. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8. 8 plus 4 is, what is 8 plus 4? That is 12. 12. So 15 like tennis. We have already 12. What is missing to 12 to make it 15? The answer is 3. 14 student like volleyball. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. What is missing to 13 to make it 14? Because 14 students like volleyball, the answer is 1. Now we have 17 students like basketball. 17 plus 2 is 9. 9, 9 plus 6. What is 9 plus 6? 15. We have 17 students. This is already 15. What is missing to 15 to make it 17? The answer is 2. Now, going back at the given, we have 25 students were surveyed about their favorite sport. Tingnan natin kung 25 ito. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. So we have 25 students. No? So we are going to answer the question. How many students like basketball only? The answer is 2. How many students like volleyball only? The answer is 1. And how many students like tennis only? What is the answer? The answer is 3. Thank you very much for watching, mga bata.